So just give me a basic introduction without disclosing your name.
I completed my 10th and 12th from HP Dharamshala. I graduated in computer science engineering from Punjab Technical University in 2012. I worked for over 7 years as a technical trainer and training manager, and got an opportunity to associate with government institutions. And with deep interest in law, I pursued LLB from Punjab University Patiala and graduated in 2023.
Okay. So engineering and law, as these both are very different disciplines.
Yes.
Do you think that the shift which you had made, there will be a lack of consistency in this?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to understand that.
Again, I'm repeating that engineering and law, both
Yes.
are the different disciplines, right?
Yes.
So as you had shifted from the side of engineering to the side of law, so it reflects that you are not much consistent in one side, and the same thing may affect in the future career as well. How you will justify this?
So as per my humble opinion and as per my point of view, sir, it's not true because the decision to do BTech, I was taken in 2008, and at that point of time, I was not aware about the legal field, and only engineering was the option, and for that, I convinced my parents. But after getting the knowledge about legal field, and I decided, and I continuously try to come into this field, and now I successful, and with the God grace and your blessing, sir, I think I will definitely make this time.
Okay. So how do you balance your responsibilities as a mother, as well as if you get selected in judicial as a judicial officer, how you will maintain and the balance between your responsibilities?
Yes, sir. So as I have a joint family and it's very sportive, the daughter would be with my husband here only. And sir, I have been performing these responsibilities since 2016. So because I am working, and I work since those days, it is simultaneous process. I have studied with my child only, and my in-laws are very sportive. They take care of her, so I don't think so that it would hinder this. And there is a full support of my family.
So what is the job profile of your husband?
So he's currently an advocate.
And what are the working hours?
Working hours, sir, generally, sir, it's 9 to 5.
9 to 4. So it appears to me that you are a self-centered woman. That as you are preparing for judiciary and you are not maintaining and taking care of the other things, and everyone is there in your support.
No, sir. Actually, I did whole household chores, and for my daughter also, I always take care of her. He even slept only with me. And for homework, I took, sir, she sent me online homework, and I regularly check it. And if she has any doubt, I will clear those online if I'm not available physically there.
Okay. Okay. What do you understand by the term judicial overreach?
Yes. The judicial overreach is where there is no legislative provision, and there is a requirement of law from the legislature side. But in the interest of public, if Supreme Court take any decision and give directions, so sometimes in judicial and justice delivery system, many of the advocates give it names to judicial overreach, sir.
Are you aware of any recent example which is settled by Honorable HP High Court with respect to judicial overreach?
Sorry, sir, I have to read about this.
Okay, so as Article 21 of the
Yes.
Constitution is very wide, don't you think that it is a judicial legislation rather than only the interpretation of the provision?
Yes, sir. As per my point of view, it is judicial legislation because most of the rights are decided by the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, sir.
Okay. suppose you had been selected and you are holding the post as a judicial officer. There is one case which appears in your court and you find that on that particular subject there are conflicting opinions of the Honorable High Court. How you will take up that matter?
Yes. So there are two possibilities. If the decision would be higher bench, division bench, and there is a single bench, so I will take the decision of the, I will consider the decision of the higher bench. And sir, if the bench is same, so it is mentioned as per inquirium, and sir, the older bench decision I would consider.
Okay. So as with respect to the matters of bail,
yes, sir.
Honorable Supreme Court had settled certain jurisprudence with respect to that in a very important case. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's regarding sir. Sorry, sir. May I take 2 seconds to reframe the answer?
Yes.
Yes. So with regarding to 437 and 439, Stendra Kumar entered, it is the judgment, and sir, the various of the guidelines provided under this act regarding the arrest also and included Arnesh Kumar judgment plus DK Basu judgment, and sir, it categorized the offences on the basis of their gravity and gives direction according to the gravity of the offences for considering the bail application, sir.
So let's suppose an application is filed by the accused and the charges which are there against him is under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
Yes,
so how that bail application is to be decided?
Yes, sir. Sir, for money laundering, it is, sir, difficult to give the bail. But yes, sir, as it is said that jail is exception and bail is rule. So if there are prima facie and strong, if not prima facie, if there are strong grounds and long incarceration, then bail can be granted, sir.
So is it not that Prevention of Money Laundering Act section 45 is an exception to this rule?
Yes, sir. It is an exception.
So how you can say that bail can be granted?
Sir, not on prima facie and other, but sir, there are cases as in the Supreme Court recently where bail is granted, like sir, ex-Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and sir, Education Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia. So bail is granted, sir.
So at the very initial stages, the bail was not granted in those cases. Why?
Because sir, these are related to PMLA and there are strong conditions for granting the bail.
So it means that the bail earlier the bail was not the rule which the court had followed?
No, sir, they have to consider the all evidences and the opposite party was taking the time to present the facts and all.
Okay, so just tell me that are you aware of the difference between absolute liability and strict liability?
Sorry, sir. At this moment, I am unable to differentiate these.
Is there any limitation on the doctrine of basic structure?
Apologies, sir. I think I'm not recollecting the exact facts.
Okay. What do you understand by the term that a person must come in the court with clean hands?
Yes, sir. So it is a rule of equity. That person who is who seeks equity to do equity, and this is under sir section 41 of the Specific Relief Act, sir.
Section 41?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
If the person is not going with the clean hands, then injunction would not be granted. So this is the example of.
So there are two maxims. One is that a person must come in the court with clean hands, and
yes.
Another one is that one who seeks equity must do equity.
Yes, sir.
So which maxim prevails over the other?
I'm not able to give the answer.
Are you aware of the case Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh, a very landmark case?
Yes, sir. I have read about this.
What settled precedent is there in that case?
If I'm not wrong, sir, it is related to the minor contract with minor, and sir, in this, it is held that no restoration of the things against the minor, sir, in Indian Contract Act. This was held, sir. It is void ab initio.
So, do subsequently evolution took place to this particular concept?
Yes, sir. Under specific relief act under section 33 of the said act, there is a change that restoration can be done, but sir, it is on the extent of the goods. If there is a thing to take money back, so it would not be there, sir.
Okay. So just tell me.
Yes, sir.
That do you believe that the judges should be bound strictly by the precedents?
Yes, sir. As per my humble opinion, judges should be bounded by the Supreme Court judgments, which are given under, because Article 141 says it. And sir, due to this, there is a consistency in the judgments. Otherwise, there would be lack of sir, faith of the people, because if there would be inconsistent judgments, so I think faith of the people would hamper.
Okay, good. So let's suppose that it is a criminal case.
Yes, sir.
You're a presiding officer as a magistrate, and you find that accused had confessed before the police, but subsequently when he's appearing before you, and the police officer had sponsored that accused before you, that person refuses to make the confession. So what you will do in that case?
Yes, sir. So in that case, I will not remand back the person to the police, and confession would not be relevant at that time, sir.
So you will not remand back to him in which custody?
Sir, police custody.
Okay. So as you are there for the post of judicial officer and your husband is also practicing advocate, so if your husband appears before you, what you will do?
So in that case, I will recuse myself from the case and give the reason that for personal reasons.
And let's suppose that you have not recused from that case and you heard that particular application or whatever the proceedings are. So what can be the action taken against you?
Yes, sir, departmental action can be taken, because, sir, due to this activity, the faith of the judiciary would be on stakes, sir. Because if public will know, so they would not. I would not inspire the faith.
Okay. So how you will ensure that gender neutrality is there in your courtroom, especially in the cases of sexual violence, domestic violence? How you see gender neutrality?
Yes, sir. Sir, as gender neutrality, sir, I will place the equal footing on both parties, sir.
Okay, so what is your view on the Uniform Civil Code?
Yes. Sir, uniform, exactly, sir. There should be uniform civil code in our India, as sir, our framers of constitution has defined in a directive principle under Article 44. But yes, sir, for keeping in mind that our country is very diverse in culture, religion. So keeping in mind on all the sentiments of the all kinds of religion, then there should be a progressive. It should be progressive one, not to hurt the sentiments of any community and any religion people, sir.
So suppose you had passed the judgment in a particular case.
Yes.
And the media reports are strongly criticizing your judgment because it is a sensitive case.
Yes.
So, and everyone is against your judgment. How you will handle this situation?
Sir, as in this position and to handle my in and sir, to discharge my duties, sir, I think accept all those criticism, and I will continue with my work, not to uh, take those criticism on my heart.
So, would you ever allow the public opinion to influence your judgment?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. So, I want to know your opinion on the point like, should death penalty be retained in India?
Yes, sir. Sir, my point of view, sir, it should be there. Sir, क्योंकि may I speak in Hindi, sir?
Yes,
Bilingual?
please.
Yes, sir. As because sir, जो हमारी it depends on the sir जो nature है, culture है, और किस तरह का हमारा जो है past रहा है, उसके basis के ऊपर, और जो किस तरह के crimes हमारी country में हो रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर भी सर ये बहुत कुछ depend करता है. And as Supreme Court held in already held that in the rarest of the rare cases, death penalty is given. So, sir, I am, sir, agree with this point, sir.
Okay. So, as today we see that the courts, High Court or Supreme Court, live streamings are there available on the YouTube and other platforms.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with the idea of live streaming of court proceedings?
Yes, sir.
What are the benefits of this?
So, benefits of these that people are becoming aware, and sir, it's sir, ये जो है वो बहुत transparent है, and sir, this is also beneficial for advocates and young lawyers, sir, to learn from hearings. And sir, जिनको मौका नहीं मिलता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाने का या हाई कोर्ट्स में जो बहुत रिमोट एरियाज हैं, तो सर they can also learn from those proceedings.
So, is it not like when such videos and live streamings are there, the lot of people, those who are not aware about the court decorum, court proceedings, other things, they are demeaning the judges as well?
I totally agree, sir, from this point. But sir, from these tribal issues and criticism, we should be progressive, not sir in decline phase. अगर हम progress कर रहे हैं इसमें तो sir, I think it is good for the public.
Okay. Suppose you discover that there is a colleague judge who is appointed with you. That person is accepting favors from the litigants and advocates.
Yes.
Would you report the same to the senior or you will ignore it?
Sorry, sir. I think I can't. Or
No,
comment.
so you will be promoting that. It means you are abetting that. If you know everything, still you are not taking any action, it means you are abetting that.
Yes.
So is it not you should report to your seniors?
It should be done, sir.
So you will not do?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So as in Himachal, we are looking that there are a lot of environmental issues, and they are generally due to certain things like we can say hydro projects and tourism development, infrastructure development, national highway and all. So do you find that the hilly state should not be much interfered with the developments?
Exactly, sir. It should not be on the basis of sir जो वहाँ के लोग हैं, because I think उनकी life पे stake है sir ये. तो it should be on there should be balance between development and environment, sir.
Okay.
Because most of the people are dependent on that place.
Okay. So let's suppose if you are unable to clear this exam, what will you do next?
Sir, as sir, I have very eligible attempts, and I think if because from this judgment, जो sir 3 years का rule आया है, Otherwise sir मेरा 38, because 35 years for OBC there is a situation, and there is a 3 years extension. But sir I have recently joined the bar, and if it is possible, और अगर सर जैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है कि हाई कोर्ट सभी रूल्स फ्रेम करेंगे, अगर उसमें हुआ कि आगे एज अगर मुझे मिलती है, देन आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट.
Okay. Okay. So as it is a norm that as a judge you have to write the judgments in a very precise language or legal language, right?
Yes sir.
So how do you plan to overcome the fact that your core education for many years was in engineering and not law? So how you will write that legal language?
Yes sir, I will overcome by reading the judgments, legal developments. I will make it happen, and even I am developing this habit. But yes sir, in continuation I'll make sure that I will read all the judgments and legal developments, and gradually it will develop into me.
Okay. Suppose you rely, there is a case, you passed a judgment,
Yes.
everything is done, final orders are passed, file is consigned to the record room, and thereafter you realize that the judgment which you had passed, there is a mistake apparent on record. Now what will you do?
As per my understanding, there is only review, only on clerical basis. Otherwise, sir, I would be functus officio, and then party would be file appeal, sir.
Okay. So is it not, it will affect your ACR which is being prepared after 1 year, that how you have worked?
Yes, sir, it will affect, but I will not do anything wrong that I would change decisions, which is even against the law.
Okay. So if your personal religious beliefs are in clash with a particular law, then which you will follow, your personal religious belief or the law?
Sir, I will follow law.
Okay. So as today we see that a lot of fast track courts are established.
Yes, sir.
So do you think that fast track courts are taking up the things in a very speedy way, which can compromise the quality of justice? And they are focusing on the speed of early disposals, rather they are not focusing on the quality. How you see this?
There are different perceptions, sir. जैसे सर अगर फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट्स आर स्पेशल कोर्ट्स, उनके पास सर वही केसेस दिए जाएंगे और उससे उनका उस चीज में एक्सपीरियंस हो जाएगा टू डिसाइड द केसेस. एंड सर उनमें क्या होता है, टाइम लिमिटेशन होता है, तो अडजर्नमेंट्स कम दी जाती हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि सर उसमें कुछ क्वालिटी में कुछ डिफरेंस आएगा. तो टाइम लिमिटेशन एंड टाइम बाउंडिंग्स आर देयर. एंड सर देयर आर अनदर perception that in law field there are appeals and revisions, all are there if party would be affected.
Okay. So do you believe that the concept of plea bargaining is a good practice?
Yes sir.
Is it not, it dilutes justice?
Sir, as per my humble view, sir, there are number of persons in the prison, as per sir various reports, सर जो बिना उसके ही अभी चार्जशीट भी फाइल नहीं हुई है या ट्रायल चल ही रहा है बहुत सारे सालों से. सो इफ विद डिस्कशन विद देम एंड इफ दे आर ready to plead guilty voluntarily, then this is the good step, sir.
Okay. So what reforms you suggest? Let's suppose the government asks people that you just submit your views, so that what reforms you want to be there, so that early disposal of the cases can be done by the courts. So what reforms you will suggest?
Yes, sir. For reforms, sir, as per my humble views, sir, first of all, there should be very cordial relationship between bar and bench. And for these, sir, जो मेरा स्टेप होगा, तो सबसे पहले सर जो व्यूज हैं वो जजेस के साथ साथ सर एडवोकेट्स के लेना भी जरूरी है, ताकि उसमें एडवोकेट्स भी पार्टिसिपेट करें, बिकॉज दीज बोथ आर pillars of the justice delivery system. We cannot ignore advocates in deciding these factors, because sir उनको ही justice दिलवाना होता है parties को. तो सर उनके साथ cordial relationship रख के जो भी सर उनके साथ जो trainings हैं, या फिर सॉफ्टवेयर्स में अमेंडमेंट कर सकते हैं, या फिर टाइम लिमिटेशंस में अमेंडमेंट कर सकते हैं. तो these are the steps I would like to take.
Okay. Let's suppose
Yes.
that you got selected. So how
Yes.
you see yourself after the next 5 years?
Yes. So after 5 years, I think I would be more knowledgeable, or sir with legal field, with legal terminologies and legal field. I think मुझे उसमें बहुत experience हो जाएगा. I will definitely learn a lot, and maybe मैं बहुत सारी जो lives हैं society में उनको अच्छे से न्याय दे पाऊंगी सर. And I would be more satisfied.
मान लीजिए किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे लॉ इज साइलेंट, व्हाट यू विल डू?
Sir, if law is silent, then a reference provision is there.
Okay. So suppose a poor woman appears in a court without a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
And she directly comes in the court with certain grievances. What you will do to ensure that she gets justice in the matter?
Sir, under Article 39A of the Constitution of India, sir, legal aid would be, I will suggest her the legal aid, sir, from Legal Service Authority.
Okay. So suppose
Yes.
you passed a judgment, but media misreported that judgment and portray a negative impact of that. So you are going to respond that publicly, or you will remain silent on that?
Sir, as I have very less experience in this field, and even I haven't started, so I will definitely take a point of view of my seniors. Then accordingly, I will take action.
Suppose an advocate comes in the court and he misbehaves and intimidates you.
Yes, sir.
What you will do?
Sir, I will be calm and firm, and firstly listen what he's saying and why he's saying so, and definitely there would be a solution. अगर मैं उनकी बातों को समझ सकूं, और अगर हो सका तो मैं उनको टाइम दूंगी for the discussions.
Okay. My last few questions to you, like,
Yes.
should marital rape be criminalized in India?
No, sir.
Okay. Any reasoning you want to give?
Sir, marital rape, sir, again the situation of Indians, because sir there are, ठीक है सर कि जो हमारा जो कंट्री है इट इज पैट्रियार्कल, और बट सर अभी जो हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं इसके साथ साथ जो सर ऑलरेडी देयर आर स्पेशल लॉज फॉर वीमेन फॉर विच दे कैन टेक द रिलीफ फ्रॉम द कोर्ट्स. आई थिंक अगर हम इसको एज अ रेप ऑफेंस बना देते हैं तो दिस वुड सर जो मेन है उनके लिए ये इट इज काइंड ऑफ हरासमेंट, मोर देन हरासमेंट इवन.
Okay. My last question to you is,
Yes.
What is your view on the reservation policy in India?
Reservation policy. Yes, sir. Reservation should be there, but sir, it should be like, sir, there should be differentiation in between those categories also, so that if somebody has already taken the benefit in his family, so there should be no further reservations.
Okay.
In that hierarchy, sir.
Okay. It was nice to have this session with you, Shashi. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.